Hey, astrology lovers! Welcome to pureastrology.ca. My name's Barbara Smith, and I want to share with you some tools that my sister and I created to help you learn astrology, or to do a chart, or to remind you of the different characteristics of signs, houses, planets, etc. So my sister and I created cards, flashcards. So they come in a package like this. The first thing you'll see is ways to use the cards. And once you open it, you will have a glossary for the signs, houses, planets, and elements. Now, in the glossary, let's take the sign for an example. On the front, you'll see the color of the element, the planet color, the whether it's feminine or masculine by the color, and the mode here in the bottom. On the back of the glossaries, they're like a cheat sheet that'll show you the characteristics of the sign just at a glance. So we have these, as I said, for all the houses, elements, signs, planets, and etc. So now once I've done the chart and I'm doing a reading for someone, the first thing I will do is I will look at the ascendant and I'll say, okay, so your ascendant, this is like the door. It's like the door in for people. It's what people are attracted to. It's how you show yourself to the world. Now, in the back of the ascendant, it'll show you what the ascendant is. Now, your ascendant is in Leo. So right away, I know that Leo is a fire sign. It's a masculine sign. Its ruler is the sun, and it's fixed. And so on the back, it also shows you the same and the characteristics. So you can talk about how people see them as a Leo. The next one I'll do is the sun. Oh, okay, here's your sun. Again, on the back, it has characteristics, and your sun is in Pisces. Now, Pisces, again, you'll see it's feminine, it's a water sign, the ruler planet is Neptune, and it is mutable. It also shows you on the back so that you've got it at a first glance or not. So then you would talk about sun in Pisces with an ascendant in Leo. Now I would look at their moon. There's your moon sign. On the back, it tells you what that is. Of course, the moon sign is feminine, and your moon is in Capricorn. So here's Capricorn. Again, you can see the colors on the front, and in the back, there's a description. It's an earth sign, it's cardinal, and the ruler is Saturn. So you can do a pretty good reading for someone just on these basics by taking them all and see how they blend and how they make that personality. Now, when you're looking at the chart, of course, it's much more than just the moon, sun, and ascendant. I could take one and I would probably look at either the ascendant or the sun first to see if there's any aspects to it. So, okay, I take the sun. Now we determined that their sun is in Pisces. And so I would look at that and I'd say, well, I'm looking at your chart and I can see that your sun is squaring Mercury. All right, so then that's a lot more information to give them about how that means. And of course, on the back again, you've got the description on the back of what a square means and how it would be, and then Mercury on the back. Then you could look at the chart, you could see what is Mercury in. Now to get even deeper, we're going to look at, well, you're born with the sun, and you're born with the sun in the 5th house. Well, probably a lot of fun, because 5th house is the ruler of creativity, fun, children, romance. So again, you can get as deep as you want with this astrology. Keep going. We've got conjunction. We have all of the elements here. Earth, again, with a description on the back. Air, description on the back. So we have all what you need in one pack of cards, and they're great. They're a great tool. I've used them a lot, and I really hope that if you're interested in learning about astrology, you'll check us out on pureastrology.ca. So keep on trucking on that astrology train, because it sure is fun. Thanks for watching.